The more CO2 there is in the atmosphere, the warmer the global temperatures. Take CO2 out of the atmosphere and temperatures are reduced. Then scientists discovered a major coincidence. The dramatic rise of the Himalayas over the past 20 million years coincided with the gradual fall of global temperatures, which led to the start of the last major ice age. The pieces of the puzzle fell into place. As the Himalayas uplifted, they had acted like an ever-growing giant sponge and absorbed massive amounts of CO2 from the atmosphere.
The uplift of the Himalayas in Tibet lead into the drawdown of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere by these weathering processes was probably one of the major factors in lead into the cooling that culminated in the ice age that started about 2.5 million years before present.
A cooling effect which was so intense that 2.5 million years ago it contributed to a global deep freeze. An ice age that affected the entire planet and had a dramatic impact on all life on Earth. And geologists are sure that the Himalayas will continue to exert an immense influence on our planet, as these mountains are still growing. As India pushes northwards under Asia, the building cycle continues. More mountains will form. Over the next 10 million years, 300 miles of land will be forced under Asia. The entire range will grow even taller. Out in this vast wilderness of icy peaks, geologists are still making discoveries.
For geologists, it's exciting in terms of the science because you get to areas where few geologists have been before.
As the research continues at Everest and across the Himalayas, it is a wonder what secrets they might tell us in the future. The evidence for Everest's incredible geological journey has been revealed. Ammonites, evidence that an ocean once existed between India and Asia and that the continents collided 50.5 million years ago. Folds and faults, proof of the initial mountain building process. Granite, evidence of a giant conveyor belt of mountain building power which pushed Everest to its immense height. GPS data reveals that the Himalayas are the most active mountain range on the planet, and Everest is still growing. Everest today stands as the highest place on planet Earth. But in millions of years to come, there will perhaps be another mountain big enough to challenge this giant, living proof that the Earth is never at rest.